welcome. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here this month. It is May, I'm trying to think, my brain, for the Make It Simple Monday with Art Impressions, and this month is vehicles. So I pulled out a bunch of different vehicles from my collection, whether it be a bicycle or a truck, and I have not decided which one I want. I've even considered a wheelbarrow, you know, as a mode of transportation. We got a plane here, little bug. We got a train, and I think those are all the ones I pulled out for this month. Yep, it is. So, to decide what we want to work on today, I've done a lot of the truck ones. I did post a picture of one of the truck ones yesterday as like a sample, or last week. Goodness, my brain. And unfortunately, I'm having surgery this month, so I'm going to try to record two of these pretty close together, either back to back or a couple days difference. I like this one. You know, I'm going to post pictures of this one because I've done a project with this one before, so you can see that on my off week. I did one of the other trucks on my off week, but I think I want to do the RV and then a bicycle. I've seen a bicycle one that I really want to play with, so let's do these two. Which one do I want to do first? Choices, choices, choices. Let's do this one. All right. Let me see if we can stick with using our ATC size or if we need to upgrade to a larger size. I've really enjoyed just doing it on these little small ATC sets because it lets you know you can do something really small and make a big, big difference. Let's see if it will fit. Ooh, it'll take up the whole thing. Let's do it. And first time using this one. I have this new We Are stamp press here, and for this size, I think it's going to work absolutely perfect. Find my smooth side of my paper. Actually, it won't matter because I need to stamp off first. And line this up. Actually, I might go ahead and just do the smooth side, and I'll stamp off on another piece of paper. That way I can keep her down so she doesn't move. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the gray silver bullet version of this RV. Make sure I get really good coverage for the first time. Grab another scratch piece. And this one's going to be a little bit bigger, that way I have plenty of room to stamp off. And All right, here we go. Here is Make It Simple Monday for my first vehicle for the month. Just a cute little RV to get us going, getting ready to go into springtime and camping season and all that fun stuff. So thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again in a couple weeks. Debbie will be here next week, and she will be doing the project, and I will be back the week after. So thanks so much. Have a great day, and I will see you later.